Let me show you the line from the beginning of human history to the present day. Before the flood, the watchers descended to earth. They transmitted forbidden knowledge to the line of Canaan. Their offspring, the Nephilim, filled the earth with corruption. God sent the flood, but the knowledge survived, carried through Ham and Canaan into the post-flood world. It is reconstituted. It is reconstituted by Nimrod in Babylon, who built the Tower of Babel as a ritual gateway. God scattered the builders. The tradition dispersed across the ancient world. It became the mystery religion of Egypt, Greece, Persia, and Canaan. The dying god cult, wearing different names but carrying the same core principle. In the 6th century BC, it re-entered the Jewish tradition during the Babylonian exile, fused with the Magussean heresy, and it encoded as the Kabbalah. The Kabbalah traveled through medieval Europe, through the Knights Templars, the, the, the Cathars, the Rosicrucians, until it became theological foundation of Freemasonry. And Freemasonry, by its own Grand Master admission, is working towards the completion of the great work.